This video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you could have got funded with just one trade on Euro USD. I'm going to break this down live. As you can see, this is the live current markets. Price is currently still melting to the downside, and I'm going to break this down step by step because I did just execute this trade. So let's break this down for you. Starting things off here, clearly, I'm just going to rewind this back. Okay. So going into the London session, we're anticipating volume to come into the markets. You can see clearly that we broke structure to the downside, indicating strong bearish momentum. We can mark this on as a break of structure. We can then go ahead and mark on our guarded high. This is our invalidation level. We do not want price to close above here. This will indicate that the sellers are no longer in control. We want to see price come back into our point of interest, which is the last up candle before the strong sell-off to the downside. So we want to see price come back into here, reject this area. We can then look for an unrefined entry to take this to the downside. So let's play this on a little bit. Okay, in terms of targets, clearly this is going to be the low that we're going to be targeting as a first target, and then we're also going to be looking for more continuation to the downside because this is a trend following strategy. So this is our liquidity. We're looking at target below here. Price comes into our point of interest, so we're looking for a rejection off of this area. You can see that's exactly what we get here with this sort of pinball rejection on the 15-minute time frame. Entry is on the close of that candle. Stop loss just above the wicks here. Give price a little bit of room to breathe. Okay. And target first TP is going to be down to the low. Equal lows at a 1 to 3.2 risk to reward. And then we're looking for more continuation. So we're triggering this trade here. We're looking for this to play out. You can see price literally just melts to the downside and runs all that liquidity to the downside. And price is currently running a 6-to-1 risk to reward down at these lows. You can see we've ran all of these stops to the downside and price is continuing to melt there. So this is a textbook setup when it comes to using smart money concepts. We're using basic market structure along with our entry schematic, and this here is our unrefined entry based on these rejections. We can get a safe stop and then look to execute a safe trade there. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care guys, bye bye.